Get Good with Money is a guide to creating a healthy relationship with money and achieving financial security. Hello everyone, welcome to Avid-Wisdom, and here is the book summary of Get Good with Money by Tiffany the Budgetnista Aliche. Before we move forward, please make sure you like my video and share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notification when I upload a new video. Watch this video till the end. You might have great learning from this book. Oftentimes, the world as we know life takes an unexpected twist. Natural hazards, unforeseen crisis, or rapidly spreading viruses can turn our lives upside down. So, if you think your job and your home are secure, you might want to reconsider that. Financial freedom is the only way to guarantee those things. Therefore, becoming financially literate and having a budget should be everyone's priorities. Getting to know yourself and your spending habits is another important milestone on the path to success. Don't fall into the common misconception that money only belongs to the rich or that it takes all your sweat and tears to achieve your financial goals. The objective is to make your money work for you and use it to eliminate the stress from your life, not create more of it. Work on creating an environment with like-minded people and positivity. From social media pages to books and words of affirmation, gather everything related to your goals around you. Get Good with Money is a great start on your journey to financial security. Your first financial milestone is creating a solid budget. Everything runs on a budget. From your local shop to corporations, they all use financial estimates. So why shouldn't you? Creating one will make you less likely to overspend on impulsive purchases. This is a great first step towards your financial success. Don't think about your budget as something restrictive, but rather the opposite. Setting a budget and managing to keep some extra cash aside is a future payment to yourself that you can use to go on vacation or buy something you've never had the money for. Become debt-free and boost your credit score. Debts are a burden most of us carry around like an anchor. Mortgages, student loans, car loans, and any other liabilities are all standing in your way to achieving financial freedom. Luckily, there is a way out of this rut. It starts with changing your mentality on debts. After choosing your preferred way of operating, it's time to take care of your credit score. Debt is generally a bad thing, but it can get you places if you use it wisely. For example, good credit can provide you with better interest rates and huge savings on purchases. Investments help build wealth and secure your retirement. Have you ever heard about compound interest? Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. It's when your money makes more money using reinvested interest. Set this process on repeat until your wealth grows exponentially. You can start by opening up a retirement fund and investing 20% of your income every month. Ideally, it would be best to multiply your expenses by 25 to determine the amount you'll need once you stop working. Let me conclude this video by saying, Get Good with Money is your go-to guide for achieving financial wholeness. Alice's insights on saving, investing, and earning more are invaluable for any reader willing to apply this knowledge. Her advice is easy to follow and can help any financially struggling person turn their life around. I personally recommend this book to everyone willing to improve themselves and become financially literate. If you want to build a sound future, change your spending habits, and prepare for retirement, this book is great for you. Hope you like this book summary video and it has given you some value for the time you spent. If it has added value in your life, please hit like, share it with your friends, and if you have not, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update.